Hi, how are you? Today I'm gonna show you how to trim your beard. Trim your beard. Very nicely, very nicely. Also, we're gonna trim beard. See, this is trimmer. Very nice trimmer. Camel. Oyster trimmer. It costs maybe like $40. But very nice. Very nice trimmer. When you do trimming, it's good to sometimes like tighten your skin. And this hold up so you don't cut yourself. See? See, I pull my skin. So that you don't cut yourself. You pull skin. See like that? So pull, see a pulling skin. You can do this with clipper too. So pull skin, you see pull skin. Pull skin, very important when you do this, very important. I'm son of a barber. Yeah, son of a barber. So we show you good ways to trim your beard and be all fresh. See? Camel trimmer. And we're done. See? Done. Looking trimmed. Looking a little bit trimmed. Thank you for watching the channel. Please check out my other videos. We cook. We do haircuts. Everything. Thank you so much. God bless you. Take care.